Strengthening Faith 58. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for Muslims to understand a simple yet profound lesson, namely, they will never succeed in this world or the next in worldly or religious matters, through the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted. Since the dawn of time to this age and till the end of time, no person has ever achieved true success, nor will they ever through the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted. This is quite obvious when one turns the pages of history. Therefore, when a Muslim is in a situation which they desire to achieve a positive and successful outcome from, they should never choose to disobey Allah, the Exalted, irrespective of how tempting or easy it may seem to be. Even if one is advised by their close friends and relatives to do so, as there is no obedience to the creation if it means disobedience to the Creator. And in truth, they will never be able to protect them from Allah, the Exalted, and His punishment in either this world or the next. The same way Allah, the Exalted, grants success to those who obey Him, He removes a successful outcome from those who disobey Him, even if this removal takes time to witness. A Muslim should not be fooled, as this will occur sooner or later. The Holy Quran has made it extremely clear that an evil plan or action only encompasses the doer, even if this punishment is delayed. Chapter 35 Fatir, verse 43.
But the evil plot does not encompass except its own people.
Therefore, no matter how difficult the situation and choice, Muslims should always choose the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, in both worldly and religious matters, as this alone will lead to true success in both worlds, even if this success is not obvious immediately.